Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how we can easily remove volume from the chart. So when you come here to charts, and let's say I'm going to click settings, like no, style, click style, next to the drawings, click settings under time frame setup. Right here, when you're going to be here, you want to go to, let's say, equities, options, futures, Forex, and then you're gonna have the volume here, and you want to unclick show volume subgraph, unclick it, and that's pretty much it, how we do it. So yep, that's how we do it. Volume and show volume subgraph, and remove it, and press OK then. And yeah, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.